U.S. Capitol went into lockdown on Friday afternoon as a person rammed a car into barriers surrounding the complex, injuring 2 police officers. The driver, who exited the vehicle wielding a knife after the crash, was shot by Capitol Police and arrested at the north barricade of the Capitol complex. We're now about 200 meters away from the site, and a press conference was held here earlier. From what we currently know, the suspect was pronounced dead, and one of the 2 police officers hit by the car was pronounced dead. Capitol Police sent out an alert notifying those in the complex that they should remain indoors. There was a heavy police response outside of the Capitol, including a helicopter landing on the premises. FBI Washington Field Office said it is also responding to the incident and is providing support to the Capitol Police. Barbed wire fencing has surrounded the Capitol complex since rioters supporting former President Donald Trump stormed Capitol on January 6. Several thousands of the National Guard's troops still remain in Washington, D.C. over security concerns. Xinhua correspondents reporting from the U.S. Capitol.